wait until all the sixth graders join me here in the penthouse so we can begin Toward the Tiger Way. Although we're beginning the year virtually, I am committed to making sure your first year of middle school is Tigerific. Take care. See you soon.
Oscar Smith Middle School family, my name is Mr. Swift. I'm the 7th grade administrator, and I just want to welcome you all back to Oscar Smith Middle School. For those of you who are already Tigers from last year, hey, welcome back. For our new Tigers, we're glad to have you back. I know everything in the world is a little wonky with the virtual learning and everything, but let me tell you something. We are going to have a dynamic time learning. Our teachers and our staff, we are all working so hard to make sure you have a wonderful experience. So you guys sit tight, get ready, enjoy the last moments of summertime, and just come prepared and ready to work. Because here, you're inside a circle of safety, and we're gonna make sure that you optimize your learning. Glad to see you. Can't wait to meet you. Take care.
Good morning, Oscar Smith, 8th grade, 7th grade, 6th grade, and all of the Oscar Smith Tiger Nation. I am Mr. Hardy, the 8th grade administrator, and I'm super excited about 2020-2021. Yes, this is the new beginning, but I understand, you understand, that through virtual connections and building relationships, we all will continue to be one big happy Tiger family. Students, we look forward to seeing you online, remaining connected, and making sure that you are preparing yourself for 9th grade. This is Mr. Hardy signing off. See you online.
Hi everyone, this is Dr. Amanda Jones. I'm the new assistant principal over special education at Oscar Smith Middle School. I actually attended this school when I was a student myself. I'm super excited to meet all of you, whether it be through the computer or in person, and I look forward to having a great year. Please let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help, and I'm so excited to be a Tiger once again. Thank you all. See you soon.
Oscar Smith Middle School is virtually unstoppable. This year, students will access their classes and complete all of their assignments using Schoology. You can access Schoology by going to cpschools.schoology.com. Students will log in using their Chesapeake Google account. Usernames have been mailed home. If you forgot your password from last year, your First Bell teacher can help you. Students will meet virtually on Zoom with their teachers every other day. They will have assignments to complete every day for all of their classes. We encourage all students to get in the habit of checking each class in Schoology every day to complete their assignments on time. There will be classwork, homework, quizzes, and tests. Assignments will be graded and grades count. This is what Schoology may look like for students when they log in. Their classes will appear in their course dashboard. They can also access their classes by clicking on Courses at the top of the screen. To the right, students will be able to see all of their upcoming assignments. When students click on a course, this may be what their course looks like. Students will find the link to their Zoom sessions here. Each teacher will post a weekly folder. Students should click on this folder to find their daily assignments and lessons. The assignments for the first week of school will focus on introducing students to Schoology and helping them get comfortable with all of its features. Students will meet online in live sessions with their math, English, and PE teachers on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. They will meet online in live sessions with their science, history, and elective teachers on Tuesdays and Thursdays. The times will vary based on the student's schedule. Students will have assignments to complete for each class every day, even if they are not meeting online that day. Tiger Time is scheduled to meet every day. AVID students will meet with their AVID elective teacher each day during this time. Students needing academic support and remediation will also meet during this time every day. This time may also be used for small group sessions or club meetings. Students should plan to be online during this time period every day. The bell schedule with teacher assignments will be mailed home to students this week. Students will meet online with their teacher for the first part of their bell. The second part of the bell should be used to complete independent practice and assignments or meet in small groups with their teachers. Lunch and break times are also built into the schedule. You may have noticed a new start time in the schedule. This year, Oscar Smith Middle School's new school hours are 8:55 a.m. to 3:33 p.m. We will follow these hours virtually and when we return to the school building. Virtual learning may look different than a traditional school year, but we still have the same high expectations and standards for our students. Oscar Smith Middle School students will abide by Tiger Netiquette. This includes being respectful during live virtual sessions and online discussion boards, taking ownership of their learning, achieving to a high degree by attending classes daily and completing all assignments, and staying resilient by giving their best effort, staying focused, and asking for help when needed. Teachers will review the Tiger Netiquette during the first week of school. All students will be required to sign a virtual code of conduct prior to logging into their Synergy account. The virtual code of conduct will explain the expectations of all of our students as they engage in virtual learning. Although our classroom environment is online, the standards of behavior are as important as they are inside of the school building. Our virtual classrooms are real classrooms with real teachers. Therefore, appropriate student behavior is expected. In addition to students signing the virtual code of conduct prior to logging into Student View, parents will also be required to sign the code of conduct before accessing Parent View. Attendance will be taken daily. Attendance is measured by a meaningful interaction between a teacher and a student. This includes attendance at a teacher-led learning session, collaborating with a teacher one-on-one or in a small group setting, submitting assignments through Schoology, or communicating with the teacher via email, video conferencing, or a phone call. Oscar Smith Middle School is abiding by all of the school system's safety plans. All staff members are completing daily health screenings and are wearing masks. We are following all social distancing guidelines. The custodial staff has received additional training and is regularly sanitizing high traffic areas and high touch surfaces. When school buildings reopen to students, they will be required to wear masks and classrooms will be set up to ensure social distancing. Chromebook distribution has begun. Distribution is currently based on responses to the Responsive Return to School survey. Students with no device access at home will be the first to receive a Chromebook. All students at Oscar Smith Middle School will eventually receive a Chromebook, hopefully within the first few weeks of school. Check out the Oscar Smith Middle School website for distribution dates. Oscar Smith Middle School's PTSA is led by Mrs. Brenda Johnson. Membership is $7 and we encourage all parents to join. Please stay tuned for more information about membership and upcoming events and fundraisers. Even though we will not be attending school inside of the building to start the school year, students will still have the opportunity to get involved by participating in clubs and eventually athletics. Virtual Club Day is Thursday, October 8th. Students will be able to learn about all of the clubs at Oscar Smith Middle School, some of which are listed here, and how to get more involved. We have sports teams that compete throughout the year. In order to participate, students must have at least a 2.0 GPA and are required to have a completed physical in order to try out. Because we are starting the year virtually, all middle school athletics have been delayed until second semester. Please stay tuned for more information. In the meantime, if you have any questions, please contact Mr. House, our athletic director. Parents will have access to Schoology and will still be able to check their students' grades and contact teachers through Synergy. Parents should use ParentView to check their students' grades and email teachers. All teachers will have regular office hours that can be used to meet with parents and students. Again, parents will also be required to sign the virtual code of conduct prior to logging in to ParentView. Chesapeake Public School has been offering virtual Schoology tutorials. If you are unable to attend, you can still watch them on the Chesapeake Public Schools YouTube channel. Oscar Smith Middle is planning on offering additional training for our parents as well.